Well, look at this look, Michaela. Look.
This is
I went out in public like this. I go, hey, made me feel like one local girl right here. This is local right here. Tita, high waters. You know what I'm talking about. Look at this. I never even shaved. What? How can you do a cooking show? He's so unkempt. And you didn't even cut the nose hairs out of here. Unreal. Okay, and my puka clot. I told you, we're not legit, okay?
okay. Welcome to Auntie Laura's cooking show. This is Auntie Laura, and this is her cooking show. Get it?
Okay. Okay, so what I wanted to show you guys was that you guys want to see how proud I am of this? There's beans. Okay, so you got the black beans, you got navy beans, you got pinto beans, you got barley. I hate using barley by itself, so I decided to mix it up. Jasmine rice, lentils, and more lentils. So you have 8 different types of grains and beans and a lot of protein all in this mix. So what I'd like to do is I'm gonna mix it up, but I need my assistant. Okay, shake this. You're good at shaking, right? Okay, shake it up. Okay, while he does that, I want to just show you like a celery, all right? Celery, the stem is really good because you can actually eat the bulb on a celery, and you can also use a stem that you see on cilantro. So I never throw anything away on these herbs. I love using all the herbs, all the parts of the herbs, excuse me. So we're gonna go ahead and use this part of the cilantro, and we're gonna put it in our soup. Same with this too. We're gonna put all of this stuff in the soup. Holy cow. So, and if you don't have an Instapot, these are fantastic. We love Instapots. Because you know why? It's instant. Nah, not that fast. So, but before we do that, you know what we want to do? Actually, we want to wash the beans. We want to wash all that ingredients. Where's my assistant? I need my assistant. Okay, he's taking kind of long. Oh, there's my son. Hi. Okay. I'm glad you came in. You can try this. But I don't think you'll like it, so never mind. Okay, so why don't I move to this, right, Jared? Because he's taking a long time, right? So, oh no. All right, so this is my Deconstructed California roll salad. As you see, there's a bunch of cucumbers, there's avocado, there's some orange in here, and there's my famous sushi sauce dressing that I have right here. And then we're gonna construct this later, and we're gonna top it with some Japanese croutons, which is wasabi peas. This is awesome. This is what we use a lot in Hawaii. Check it out. Wasabi. Okay, we're gonna top all of that on there because my assistant is taking way too long with my beans. Well, this looks good, right? All right.
okay. I'm here.
Oh, oh, good. Look what I made for you. Like a deconstructed California roll.
Oh, sweet.
Salad.
All right.
Okay. We can just add our famous. Oh, nice job. Okay. So what we want to do is get. We should. We should measure this because then we can make recipes. So this is like 4 cups. So that's 2 cups. Another 2 cups. We'll do 5 cups. How's that? That's plenty, yeah? Okay, now you gotta rinse this off.
Rinse it out.
Yeah, rinse. Oh, I love bossing it around. Look how beautiful that is. See, it's all mixed up. It's beautiful. Okay. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna construct my salad since he's taking a long time again. So funny. Okay, let me get my little thingamajiggy. Oh, you did good, honey. I didn't know you could wash beans so good. Must be your apron, yeah? Okay, so you have to put it to not quite the maximum. You know what I mean?
Like this right here? Is that good?
Yeah, you did good, but now you have to put the water right below this because we're gonna put all this vegetable, so it's gonna like.
Okay, so the water right below the max line, right?
Yeah, because it's gonna lift up and it's gonna. I wonder if we put too much beans in there. We never did this, okay? Experimentation. Oh, we need jalapenos. Jalapenos are awesome. Somebody used it, but never mind. We can just get another one. Let's get this guy. And since I don't want my fingers to burn, what I do is I just take half of it, and then I'm just gonna use him, and I'm gonna put him into the soup when my husband comes back. Okay? But in the meantime, while he's not here again, why don't we construct this so somebody can eat it? You know what I mean? Yeah. So this rice is my hapa rice. You know why it's hapa? Because hapa means half. Half white, half brown equals hapa. Now look at that person right there. She is a hapa haole. That means she's half of him. Look, a half of him, he white, half of me, I yellow. You get it? Okay, good. I'm gonna teach you guys some things today. You're so lucky, yeah, you guys. You see? This is gonna be my hapa haole deconstructed California roll. Just for you. Yeah, it'll be nice. You can like eat it, right? Babe. All right, so since my husband bought this back, all we do.
Is there enough water? Is that good on the water?
Yeah, you did good. You think you did good? Because we're gonna have to put all that in there. What I did with this is I have my regular potatoes that you have to put in water or else they're gonna get brown, right? That's a tip. And then I have my sweet potatoes and carrots, celery, cilantro, and I'm just gonna make Jared's camera all wet. And here's my jalapeno that you don't want to touch with your hands because they hurt. Okay, those seeds, wicked. Just put it in.
More water?
Nope,
Is that good?
that's like, look, perfect.
Okay, all right.
Okay, see? So you don't want to go past the max line. You just put this in here. And you don't even have to cut your vegetables if you don't want to. But I cut them because I wanted to get all ready for Jared. You know what I'm saying? Ta-da! Oh, I forgot to put this in.
Turn it off. Put it in. Off.
Cancel.
Even the best sometimes.
This is not my cooking show. I told you this is your cooking show.
Even the best sometimes forgets little details, right? Even
Okay.
Auntie Laura sometimes.
Okay, coconut milk. Yummy.
Right.
I never like waste that. That's why. I always use all my leftovers in soup. You know what I'm saying? That's the way to do it. All right.
Can I wash that for you, Auntie Laura?
Oh yeah, you good assistant here. Take all that. Look how neat I am with my assistant, huh? All right, so another tip is I grow my own green onions. And see, all you have to do when you want to grow green onions is You cut off the roots that you see, a little bit like that. Cut them off. And you just stick in the dirt, like you just poke holes in the dirt. And then you just put your green onions inside the dirt. And they're gonna grow. And then you get green onions. Awesome. My dad always had them in the yard. Okay, the special sauce.
What's in the sauce?
Secret. I don't tell secrets. That's why it's special. It wouldn't be special if I told you. A secret special sauce. Okay, so I have dressing all in here already, so I'm not going to put more dressing. I'm just going to use this to kind of plate my food like this.
Oh, that's really good.
And
Deconstructed California roll.
right. So we just get that all over. And can you please get me some sriracha mayo? And please get me some sesame seeds. We like to use carrots a lot because they add color and they add a little sweetness and health. Where's my beets? And then the special wasabi peas.
Sriracha mayo and sesame.
Yeah, so you put a bunch of this on there. Delicious. And some of this on top because we love sesame seeds. Right, babe?
Yes. Right.
And I love using herbs in my food because I feel like they add a lot. And you just plate it. Ta-da! Little red. Because you know why? You eat with your eyes. And you eat with your mouth too. In my cooking, I use a lot of like Hawaiian salt. It's like a coarser grain salt that I usually get from different places that I travel to. And this one is from Hawaii. So I'm gonna add that to my soup later on. So that's all. So we did the bean soup, we did the hopper rice, we did the deconstructed California roll, and I forgot to put your orange on top. And so now you can eat that.
All right.
Okay? So I'm done. Do we have to see each other again? Okay, well, maybe we might come back if my assistant comes, because he cleans, I cook, he cleans, okay? So we'll see you next time.
For Auntie Laura's cooking show, starring Auntie Laura.
That's so funny, honey.